Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear friends. I hope you are fine, inshallah. Welcome to the second class in online learning school. In this class, we will discuss ma haza, what is this, and ahaza is this. Both are questions. Ma is used for what, and as you know, haza is used for this is. So, ma haza, what is this? In next class we will learn man haza, who is this? Okay, now let's see the example. Ma haza, what is this? Haza baytun, this is home. Ahaza baytun, is this a home? Na'am, yes. Haza baytun, this is a home. Okay. Ma haza, haza baytun, ahaza baytun, na'am, haza baytun. What is this? This is a home. Is this a home? Yes, this is a home. Okay, next. Ma haza, what is this? Haza qamisun, this is a shirt. Ahaza qamisun, is this a shirt? Na'am, haza qamisun, yes, this is a shirt. Okay, next. Ma haza, what is this? Haza qalamun, this is a pen. Ahaza kitabun, is this a book? Ahaza kitabun, is this a book? La, no, haza qalamun, this is a pen. This is not a book, this is a pen. La, haza qalamun. Okay, next. Ma haza, what is this? Haza sarirun, this is a bed. Ahaza kursiyun, is this a chair? La, no, haza sarirun, this is a bed. When someone asks with ahaza, then your answer will be start with naam, yes, la, no. Okay. The next example is ma haza, what is this? Haza najmun, this is a star. Ahaza najmun, is this a star? Naam, yes, haza najmun, this is a star. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay, thank you so much for attending this class. I hope you understand, inshallah. And have a good day. See you in next class, inshallah. Thank you.